Hello kids, welcome back to online class. So children, in previous class we had read about this lesson and we had learnt new words from it, and we had learnt how to pronounce each and every word properly. So today I am going to explain this lesson to you. Okay? So listen carefully children, then only you will understand this topic, this story. Okay, so here the story is, name of the story is A Visit to Shillong. Shillong is a name of a place children where people go for spending their holidays. Okay, it is like a hill station. So one family went there and they spent time there. So we will know what they did there and where they went for enjoying the view. We will see it now. So first, Nena and Sona were going to Shillong to spend their holidays with grandma and grandpa. So in this story, Nena and Sona were two girls. Look at here children, these were two girls who were spending their holidays. Where? In Shillong. They went to whose home? They went to their grandma and grandpa's home. Okay. So Shillong is a famous hill town. Shillong is a famous hill town children. Okay. As I told you, hill town means people go for spending their holidays for enjoying there. Okay. It is a beautiful place, hill station. So how much longer? Nena asked grandma for the third time as she sat beside her sister Sona in their grandparents' car. Okay. So Nena asked grandma for the third time. Nena and Sona both were going outside for enjoying the view. So here this is he is the grandfather of Nena and Sona, and she is the grandmother of Nena and Sona. Okay, so all of were going outside. Nena asked grandma for the third time. Nena asked grandma for the third time. She sat beside her sister Sona in their grandparents' car. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours. Children, they were coming from Guwahati. Guwahati is a name of a place. So, name of a town. So, they were coming from Guwahati to Shillong. It will take how much time? It will take 3 hours by car. Okay. So, if there was a railway station or an airport in Shillong, we would have reached home earlier, said grandma. So, grandma said, if there was a railway station, अगर यहाँ पे कोई रेलवे स्टेशन या एयरपोर्ट होता. रेलवे स्टेशन मीन्स क्या है बच्चों? रेलवे स्टेशन का मतलब है जहाँ पे ट्रेन्स चलते हैं और ट्रेन्स रुकते हैं, और एयरपोर्ट का मतलब जहाँ पे एरोप्लेन्स रुकते हैं आके. ठीक है. तो नेना grandmother said that if there was a railway station or airport here, then we would have reached much earlier. So, but I love this drive, said Sona. Then what did Sona say? She said that I love this drive. Nena, look at the greenery. There is a valley on your side. Grandpa, please drive slowly. There is so much to see. So, Nena, look at the greenery. Greenery means what children? I will show you. Here it is greenery. Look at the greenery, this type of scenery. Okay, look at the greenery, said who? Grandpa said, please drive slowly, there is so much to see. So Sona said to Nena that look at the greenery, there is a valley on your side. Grandpa, please drive slowly, there is so much to see. Sona said grandfather to drive slowly. Okay. Be alert, you will soon see the Umiam Lake on your right. It is also called the Barpani Lake, said grandpa. So grandpa said that be alert. Alert means what? put concentration. Okay, there is one lake on your right side, and what is the name of the lake? Borapani Lake. Okay, grandpa said to Naina and Sona that is one lake is there on your right side, that is Borapani Lake. Okay, so wow, Naina and Sona shouted with joy while enjoying the lake. By viewing the lake, they shouted that, wow, Grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Asked Naina. Naina asked to grandfather that, why do we come here only in summer? Grandfather laughed. We want you to be with us the whole year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoons. तो बच्चों, यहाँ पे नैना एंड सोना उनके ग्रैंडफादर से बोले कि हम लोग यहाँ पे पूरे साल क्यों नहीं रुक सकते हैं, क्यों हम लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ समर सीजन में ही आते हैं। तो ग्रैंडफादर क्या बोले, यहाँ पे बारिश का सीजन में मॉनसून के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होता है, और सर्दियों के टाइम पे द विंटर्स आर रियली कोल्ड, सर्दियों के टाइम पे ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है। सो मार्च एंड अप्रैल आर द बेस्ट मंथ्स टू विजिट शिलोंग। सो ग्रैंडफादर सेड दैट मार्च एंड अप्रैल महीने में थोड़ी गर्मी और थोड़ी ठंडी होती है, तो वो टाइम घूमने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट है। कहाँ? शिलोंग में। ठीक है। सो विल यू टेक अस टू सी द बटरफ्लाई म्यूजियम? आस्क्ड सोना। सोना ने उनके ग्रैंडफादर से पूछा कि आप हमें बटरफ्लाई म्यूजियम दिखाने के लिए ले जाएंगे क्या? देन मम्मी सेज दैट इट हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ कलरफुल बटरफ्लाइज। मेरी मम्मी बोले हैं कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे कलरफुल बटरफ्लाइज होते हैं। सो श्योर, एंड देन वी कैन गो फॉर ए पिकनिक एट स्वीट फॉल्स इफ़ यू लाइक, ग्रैंडमा सेड। There so many waterfalls are also there. So grandma said that sure, then we can go for a picnic at Sweet Falls. Sweet Falls is name of one waterfall. Okay, and normally people go there for spending time and go there for picnic. Okay, Sweet Falls, Sona and Naina asked together. It is a well-known picnic spot with huge waterfalls. मीन्स वहाँ पे वो स्वीट फॉल्स पे क्या होता है, बहुत सारे वाटरफॉल्स होते हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े। आंसर्ड ग्रैंडमा। वी विल पैक ए पिकनिक बास्केट विथ सैंडविचेस, केक्स एंड फ्रूट्स। ये क्राइड नैना। नैना क्या बोली कि हम लोग सैंडविच, केक, फ्रूट ये सब लेके पिकनिक बास्केट में स्वीट फॉल्स जाएंगे। नेक्स्ट वीक वी कैन विजिट द स्प्रेड ईगल फॉल्स एंड द एलिफेंट फॉल्स, सेड ग्रैंडपा। वहाँ पे और 2 वाटरफॉल्स भी है। क्या है उसका नाम? स्प्रेड ईगल फॉल्स एंड एलिफेंट फॉल्स। ओके, ग्रैंडपा बोले उनको। वी कैन आल्सो गो टू द बॉटनिकल गार्डन, इट हैज़ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स। बॉटनिकल गार्डन भी एक प्लेस है शिलोंग में जो कि बहुत सुंदर सुंदर पेड़ पौधे और फूल वहाँ पे हैं। ठीक है। We would love to see all the places. नैना एंड सोना क्या बोले? सोना क्या बोली? हम लोग सब प्लेसेस को देखने के लिए बहुत खुश है, मीन्स बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं। I wish I lived here. I would love to play with the children and learn their language. सोना क्या बोली? I wish, काश मैं यहाँ पे होती, मैं यहाँ के बच्चों के साथ खेलती और यहाँ का लैंग्वेज भी सीखती। ठीक है। वी ऑलरेडी नो ए लिटिल, डोंट वी? आस्क्ड नैना विथ ए ट्विंकल इन हर आई। सो सोना बोली नैना से, क्या हम लोगों को तो थोड़ा थोड़ा शिलोंग लैंग्वेज आता है। टुगेदर सोना एंड नैना क्राइड, आंचिंग कासा शिलोंग। सोना और नैना दोनों मिलके क्या बोले? आंचिंग कासा ए शिलोंग। का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of Anching Casa Shillong? The meaning is we love Shillong. The Anching Casa Shillong का meaning है we love Shillong, हमें शिलोंग बहुत पसंद है। ठीक है बच्चों। So children, I hope all of you understood this story. Here the story is about 2 girls who went to spend their summer holidays with their grandma and grandfather to where? To Shillong from Guwahati. Okay, and they enjoyed so many waterfalls, botanical garden, museum, okay, and picnic spots also. They went there and they enjoyed a lot there, and they loved to learn the language of the Shillong also. They would love to play with the children of Shillong also, okay. So how they enjoyed there in the summer season, that is the story, children. That's it. And at last one sentence is there, that is Anching Kasa Shillong ka matlab hai we love Shillong, okay. This is Shillong's language. So that's it for today, children. In next class we will discuss the question and answers, okay. Have a good day.